Okay, I don't normally do this. So you're looking at the NTV-KIT629. And I'll show you how the wires get hooked up, because there's so many extra wires here that aren't needed. RVC gets connected to video out. RVC gets connected to video out. OEM cam gets connected to video 1. Alright, that's all we have here. Okay. Then, off this connector, you have a black wire. This black wire gets spliced into this connector right there. Okay, this Molex connector, I think it's a Molex. The black wire at the end gets connected with this black wire. And then lastly, the wire coming out of here that says output 3. It says output 3, and we connect it to the white wire with the red stripe. Okay? And that's it. Now we're prepared to put this in the car. One thing I forgot to mention, the toggle switch to turn the camera on and off. I tied them up and taped them. Input 2, which is a blue wire, input 2, and output 1. One end goes to the toggle switch and the other end goes to the toggle switch. You're positive and negative technically. Okay? All these other wires, they don't see anything connected, they don't go anywhere. Okay? And another beautiful part about this unit is this would go in here, like so. I don't know if you can see it. This goes right in here. The unit doesn't need power. You're probably thinking, oh, what do I got to do for power? No, it doesn't. It runs off the power from the box we're going to tap into when I video that. Okay? This here is the front camera. Okay, let's show you what. Front camera comes up. To the left. Here is the ground wire for the camera. The hot wire comes here. That is fuse 58. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's 58 or 59. I think it's 58. And a micro ATC tap. Get a Dremel. Notch out the lip here, and you have to notch out the lip on the cover also. Just get a Dremel and notch it out. Clicks right in, no issues. Can't even see it. Oh, there you are. But you can't see it. Some people run the camera wire that way. I chose not to. Remember, I have radar and laser and all that. That's what these are for. But you wouldn't have that if you don't have what I have. But behind the master cylinder is a punch out, and you just run the camera wire through there. Camera wire is coming out of the camera wire is coming out from underneath, and for now I have it sitting right here on the floor. If I can focus in here. Okay, and I'm gonna snake it through there. It's gonna go right across. So it's gonna come out. Now I'm on the passenger side. It's gonna come out here around here somewhere. Okay, underneath, you really can't see it. That panel. Okay, there's 4 screws. You'll see them. They got to come down, and that's where your HMI box is. And I'll do the video for that when I get to it. Okay. Okay, the job is complete. There is my camera, all ready to go. That box is about 18 inches away from the front of my lip. You could have put the camera here if you wanted, or some people put it underneath. I like it up there. Nice double tape, 3M tape. Holds it in place really good. Plus, you know what? Maybe it's protected a little bit. I don't know. Let me go around the car. I wanted to show you guys how it hooks up in the box, but you know what? I just wanted to get done, and I was like, all right, let me see how this bottom piece goes back in, because I know it is a pain in the neck. And I just happened to put it up there, and I found all the holes right away, and I'm like, I have no time to get the camera. Let me send those 4 screws up there, so it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm not gonna lie to you, the screws are a pain in the neck to get to, but once this thing drops down, it's very simple. The wires are color coded. You're not splicing into anything. So if you took this box out, nobody would ever know you had a front camera. You're not tapping into any wiring harnesses or anything. GM can't say nothing, because everything uses OEM connectors and everything else. Real simple. If you have any questions, just let me know. But here, I'll go start the car up, and I'll show you where to put the switch. Now, if you remember, oh, I gotta vacuum this up. The wire came in, the camera wire came in through the firewall. I ran it up to here and across. Easy peasy. Took the 2 wires for the switch. Put the switch right there. That's like a $3 switch on Amazon. And I snake the wires across to underneath the glove compartment. Real simple. Let's start her up. There she is. Okay. Reverse. My reverse camera. Drive. Hit the switch, which happens to be right here. Okay. Let me focus. Okay, I guess I need a better camera. There you go, I think you could see it. Okay. I could see in the camera things are flickering. It's not flickering on the screen at all. It's the camera that's making it flicker. And I know you photo guys would know why, but it's not flickering. Okay, and then you just hit your switch to turn it back off, and it's off again. And you could be into nav and still hit your switch for whatever reason, and you'll get your front camera.
Defense active.
Yeah, that's my laser stuff. If you ever seen that, and that, and that, and that. I have videos on that. But yeah, no, it's pretty good. Like I said, it's a cheaper solution. Okay, guys? And that's about it. Any questions, let me know. Alright, bye.